Hello, everyone. Welcome back to ENGLIVO English. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Eric.
Hi, everyone.
Thanks for being here today.
Today, we have a simple but powerful topic.
Yes, today we're learning how to talk about feelings in English, the words people use every day.
Because feelings are everywhere. At home, at work, with friends. Even when you say nothing, you still feel something.
Exactly. And when you can name your feelings, you can speak more clearly. You can connect with people more easily.
So let's make this easy. Short sentences, clear examples, lots of practice.
And if you're new here, welcome. Please like this video and subscribe. It really supports the channel.
Okay, Eric, quick warm-up. How do you feel right now?
Right now, I feel good, and I feel focused.
Nice. I feel calm and a little excited to teach this lesson.
Great. And you listening right now, how do you feel? You can answer with one simple sentence. I feel blank.
Let's start with the most common feelings. These are beginner-friendly and super useful.
The first one is happy.
Happy. I feel happy when I talk to someone I love, or when I finish a small task and think, good job.
Yes. And sometimes people don't say happy, they say great or good. I feel great today. I feel good.
Another calm, soft kind of happy is content. Content means you feel okay and peaceful. Not super excited, just comfortable.
Right. Example, I'm content at home on a quiet evening.
Now, the opposite of happy is sad.
Sad is common and normal. I feel sad when I miss someone.
Or, I feel sad when I lose something important. And you can also say, I'm a little sad. That makes it softer.
Good point. Next, one feeling we all know, tired.
Tired can be physical or mental. I'm tired after a long day. I'm tired of studying.
And a stronger word is exhausted. Exhausted means very tired, almost no energy.
Now, let's add another common one, bored.
Bored means you don't feel interested. Time feels slow. I'm bored in long meetings.
Or, I'm bored at home with nothing to do. Now, let's talk about stress feelings. These are very common in daily life.
A big one is stressed.
Stressed means you feel pressure. Too many things, too little time. I'm stressed because I have exams.
Or I'm stressed at work this week.
Another word is worried. Worried is when you keep thinking about a problem.
Example, I'm worried about my interview. I'm worried because my friend is sick.
And now a very useful word, nervous. Nervous is often before something important.
I'm nervous before a test. I'm nervous before I speak in front of people.
Nervous can be small or big. If it becomes very strong, you might feel anxious.
Anxious is like nervous, but it can last longer. It can stay in your body.
Now one more, overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means everything feels too much. Your mind says, stop, I can't do all of this.
Example, I feel overwhelmed when I get too many messages at once.
Let's move to angry feelings. There are different sizes of anger.
The light one is annoyed.
Annoyed means small anger, like when someone is late again, or when there is noise and you want quiet.
Example, I'm annoyed by the traffic.
A stronger one is angry. Angry is direct. I'm angry because that was unfair.
And a great word for daily life is frustrated. Frustrated means you try, but you cannot fix the problem.
Example, I'm frustrated because the app is not working. I'm frustrated because I can't understand this lesson.
And another common word is upset. Upset can be sad plus angry together.
Example, I'm upset because my plan changed. Now, let's talk about fear feelings.
The main word is scared.
Scared can be a big fear or a quick fear. I'm scared of dogs. I'm scared when I hear a strange sound at night.
You can also say afraid. I'm afraid of heights.
Good. Now let's add some positive feelings again.
One of my favorites, excited.
Excited is happy energy, usually about the future. I'm excited for my trip.
Or I'm excited to learn English today.
Another positive feeling is proud.
Proud means you feel good about your achievement. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of my sister.
And a very warm feeling is grateful. Grateful means thankful.
I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for your help.
Great. Now one more interesting feeling, relieved.
Relieved means the pressure is gone. You were worried, but now it's okay.
Example, I felt relieved when I passed the exam. I felt relieved when I got the good news. Okay, Eric, quick minigame. I will give a situation, you say the feeling.
Let's do it.
Situation 1. You send an important message. No reply for many hours.
Worried and maybe anxious.
Yes. Situation 2. You study hard. You get a great result.
Proud and happy.
Perfect. Situation 3. Your phone is slow. The internet is slow. Nothing works.
Frustrated. Very frustrated.
Exactly. Situation 4. Someone you don't know says your English is improving.
Happy and maybe excited.
Great answers. And everyone watching, say your answers out loud too. Speaking out loud is real practice.
Now let's learn a simple pattern you can use every day.
Pattern 1. I feel plus adjective. I feel tired. I feel excited.
Pattern 2. I'm plus adjective. I'm nervous. I'm upset.
Pattern 3. I feel plus adjective because I feel stressed because I have deadlines.
Or I'm relieved because the problem is solved.
This because part is important. It makes your English clear and natural.
Before we finish, let's do a quick recap.
Today, we learned many everyday feelings: happy, sad, tired, bored, stressed, worried, nervous, anxious, overwhelmed.
We also learned anger words: annoyed, angry, frustrated, upset.
And fear words: scared, afraid.
And positive words: excited, proud, grateful, relieved.
Now it's time for a simple question. This is your speaking and writing practice.
Question of the day. What emotion do you feel most often these days, and what is the reason?
Write one short sentence in the comments. Example, I feel tired because I work a lot.
Or I feel excited because I'm learning something new.
We read your comments, and we love to see your English improve.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video and subscribe, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Thanks for watching ENGLIVO English. Take care.
Bye for now.